Hey everybody, we're getting a lot of requests for this video and I reluctantly am posting it. I'm posting it at the request of my lovely, beautiful wife. But before you undertake this, understand that there are some risks. If you screw this up, you're gonna screw up your Keurig and you could possibly flood your house, right? So if you don't know what you're doing, you're not comfortable doing it, don't do it, right? You just watch me do it and enjoy the video. Now I've done this, when I'm getting ready to show you, I've done this to every Keurig we've owned because I hate filling them up. I hate refilling them. So what I did some time ago is I ran a 1/4 inch water supply line with a shutoff valve. See it? And I tapped into our water supply line for our refrigerator's ice maker and water output. So what I do is I have, you can get this off of Amazon. It's an on-off float switch, kind of like float switch in your toilet. And that's all we're doing is we're installing basically an on-off float switch inside the Keurig. Now I do a little security. I always put a screw, a stainless steel screw, because you don't want rust in your water, inside here, right? So I think my hole ended up being about 5/8, right? So measure whatever you order. Make sure you drill an appropriate hole. You put on your gasket to prevent water leaks. It goes on like so. It's really simple. Like this. You can use a elbow fitting. You use the fitting of your choice. I just use an elbow fitting because that's what works for us. Again, you screw this up, you're on your own. Okay, but that's it. It's a simple float switch on off.
This is what we bought at Costco. So if you're gonna screw something up, go to Costco and buy your machine first. They have a great return policy.
That's it.
Okay.
That's just a little extra insurance. The reason for the on-off valve should be obvious. If you ever have to do maintenance, you do have to clean this once in a while. You want to be able to turn the water off. Plus, if you go on vacation, you ever leave the house for any prolonged period of time, I always feel better turning the valves off, knowing that, God forbid something happens, an animal gets up here, knocks it over, you're not going crazy.
Will this fit in there?
That will fit in there.
Latest mystery.
So, I always modify the water filter slightly so we can use the water filter. I'm sure if you look up on YouTube, there's probably a million ways to do this, but I haven't seen any. But we've always done this. It always works well for us. And I've literally done this on every Keurig we've owned, and it saves us. Now, like I said, you do have to clean these out every once in a while. Okay? Stainless steel screws, remember. And here we go.
You gonna make a cup of coffee when it gets full? And
that's it. Now I always set mine low. You can set your water level as you see fit, but your water level is never going to go down more than a 1/2 inch when you use it like this. But you do need to remember to clean this thing out once in a while because it can get kind of grimy. So that's it. If you want an autofill device, that's how you do it. See you next time.